Hello everyone, this is Tech20 coming to you with another video, another Excel tutorial. What we're going to do here is learn how to go ahead and auto sum a row of numbers. So what we want to do is go ahead and auto sum this row right here that you're looking at, and we'll go ahead and put the sum into row 11. Now there's a couple different ways to do that. You can either enter in the formula, which is the equal sign, which always starts out with you for a formula, and sum, and then colon. And you can either enter in the row or just drag and copy the row, which is much easier, and that will auto sum that number for you. However, if you're just wanting to just do it with one click of a button, what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and scroll over, keep going, there you go. And now you're going to go ahead and hit auto sum up here in the top right hand corner. You see that there? All right, just go ahead and click on auto sum. And it will bounce you back over here. It'll put in that same exact formula. However, it will already pre-select everything for you, so all you really need to do at that point is hit enter. And you have your sum. If you found this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, please feel free to check out one of my other videos on Excel. And if there's anything that you would like to see me cover, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks, and have a great day.